Breaking news now coming in. The government will be placing 3 bills before the Lok Sabha, will be tabling 3 bills, and one of them has become extremely controversial. It's a bill to ensure the removal of elected representatives arrested or detained on serious criminal charges. The proposed law will cover the Prime Minister, Union Ministers and Chief Ministers and Ministers of Union Territories who, if they are arrested and they spend 30 days in jail, on the 31st day they can be removed. Now, the opposition has hit out and said that this could be used to topple governments in opposition-ruled states. But Shashi Tharoor has now differed with the Congress over this bill, and he has described it as common sense, saying nothing wrong with these bills. It's a bill to remove tainted Neta. Let's just listen into what Mr. Tharoor has said, once again taking a different line from his party.
नया बिल सरकार लेकर आ रही है जिसमें किसी भी प्रधानमंत्री, कैबिनेट मंत्री, मुख्यमंत्री के खिलाफ अगर आरोप होता है और 30 दिन तक वो कस्टडी में रहता है तो उसे पद से हटाने का प्रावधान है। अब कैसे
देखिए, अगर आप 30 दिन जेल में हो तो आप मंत्री रह सकते हैं। आप ये तो कॉमन सेंस की बात है ना। मेरे ख्याल में इसमें तो कोई गलत चीज तो मैं नहीं देखता लेकिन अगर इसके पीछे कोई और सोच है तो उसको पढ़ना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, पर इसको जेपीसी को भेजने का भी फैसला करेंगे, किया है सरकार ने।
मालूम नहीं, अगर ऐसी करेंगे तो अच्छी बात है, चर्चा करेंगे। मेरे ख्याल में सारे विषय पे कमेटी के भीतर चर्चा होना अच्छा ही है हमारे लोकतंत्र की, तो चर्चा का होना।
ठीक है, हमसे बात करने के लिए शुक्रिया। संसद भवन से हिमांशु शेखर।
All right, let's go across to Vasudha for more on this. And Vasudha, Shashi Tharoor, they're taking a very mild line. As we know, there have been differences between him and his party for a long time, but the opposition extremely angry over this bill, which they feel can be used, to topple governments. If somebody is not even convicted but in jail for 30 days, they can then be removed. Shashi Tharoor taking this very soft line, saying there's nothing wrong with it. It's a matter of common sense that somebody is in jail, they should be removed.
That's right, Gargi. In about 25 minutes from now, in fact, not 25 minutes, actually, in about an hour from now, Home Minister Amit Shah will be introducing this bill in the Parliament. And this constitutional 130th Amendment bill is going to be the latest flashpoint between the opposition and the ruling party, mainly because it has some very important provisions of giving a lot of power to the governors and, of course, the LGs to sack any minister or chief minister or even the prime minister who has been, anyone who's been accused of a serious crime. It could be to do with crime or corruption within 30 days if that person has been under custody. Now, clearly, the opposition has been saying that this is one way of disrupting parliament, of disrupting democratic procedures and bringing down electorally, elected governments. But Shashi Tharoor, who had emerged as, the ambassador for Operation Sindoor, has now said that this is just common sense, that anyone who basically has been in jail for 30 days accused of a serious crime, should he be the minister? That's what the question he has asked in an interview to NDTV. And while all of this is happening, of course, ministers have met, and Home Minister Amit Shah is going to introduce this bill. And the government is putting this forward as a part of its larger reform initiative to ensure that elected representatives have the highest level of conduct when it comes to public life. But of course, the opposition feels that this is yet another ploy to ensure that their elected governments in several states also remain at the mercy of the centre.